Grabe,
Okay. Isa naman.
napaka-generous talaga nila. Napaka-generous.
Hanapin ko lang po yung isa ha. Sandali
Sige pa,
po.
sige
Hanapin
pa.
ko lang.
Nasa messenger ho yun, sunod-sunod po yung pinasa ko.
Apo.
Kaya kung pag naranasan nyo rin po yun, ewan ko. Walang kasing saya. Marami na akong napuntang mga event, pero kami po yung gumagastos sa sarili ng bulsa. Pero dito, halos wala ko kaming linabas. Ang linabas lang namin yung pinang-shopping. Siyempre, magsha-shopping ka ng mga iuwi mo. Yun lang. Lahat libre, grabe yun. Libre po lahat. Pati pagkain, masasarap, buffet. Grabe. Si Coach Anton nga, asan si Coach Anton? Tumimbang mo siya ng 2 kilo, nadagdagan yung timbang niya 2 kilo. Wala kaming ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain eh. Yan, pinapakita po natin yung mga mga ginawa nating mga video doon para pwede nyo po yung ipasa doon sa mga nagda-doubt pa rin hanggang ngayon na hindi pa rin naniniwala sa tag market niyan, pasa nyo po yan, yung mga video na ginagawa natin, na-upload natin para
Yan, ito po yung ating founder.
Ayan po yung part 1 na.
Ayan po, tama po, yan po yan.
Ayan po.
Ayan, yung packet po kami ng elevator niyan, galing sa baba.
Yep, there we go.
Oh, here.
Left side.
Ayan, so ito na po yung ating office. Ayan, ayan po. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa ating office.
Ang ganda ng office natin.
Maganda ho. Kabilaan po yan, maluwang ho yan. Kabilaan yung kanan, doon po sila sa...
Office. Okay, yan yung ating tag market office. Ayan. Hello, Sir Nick. Good morning.
Yung founder natin, no? Nakasabay namin.
Papasok na. Sir Kenny, may kausap.
What can you say about the offices, man? Middle East situation. Well, that's the way.
Yan, kilala niyo po yan, si Mr. Ismail. Grabe po yan, mama no.
What can you say about our office in one word?
Andun si Smiley.
Amazing.
Nako,
Amazing.
Si Edinot.
Famous Edino.
Mga bigatin po yung mga nakasabay namin, mga nakasama namin. Mga
Tag market
bigatin mga
website
leader.
just win. Oh, we always win.
Yeah, there's like sort of you will see sort of kind of telephone booths, and
Ito
we
na
can
po yung
do
office.
meetings from the
Dito mga
telephone.
great leaders from all around the world. Si Mr. Ismail.
Smile.
Sasalita yata siya dyan.
Di sa Edinop. Ayan.
Fortune. Ako, napaka-busy ni Fortune. Ang dami tayo top.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Kaya si Ma'am Julian. Yan po nag-aayos ng mga problema po sa ating Ma'am Julian.
Mamaya po ay magsisimula na po yung ating meeting. So inahanda lang po yung ating conference room kung saan gaganapin yung meeting. Ayan, dito po. Ito po yung ating meeting. Ayan, nakaready na po yung mga upuan. Ayan, ito po yung aming very important meeting today and tomorrow. Ayan, meron din bukas. At nandito na po yung mga top leaders ng iba't ibang bansa. Nagpapasokan na po sila. Kaya we are preparing for our meeting at 11:30, so may 10 minutes pa po. May 10 minutes pa bago magsimula. Hello, Ma'am Connie. What can you say about our office?
Amazing. This is so legit. And now we're going to have training here.
Yeah, that's our training room.
And we all have the top earners of this company. So join us, guys.
We are 40 of the top earners.
1 year, I will make myself $1 billion. $1 billion. Thank you. Namaskar.
Marami po yung si Ninja. 17 po sila.
Dadating na namin. Kaya 40 po. Nata 40 po kami lahat. 40 po na mga top leaders from around the world. Yung mga invited dito po sa ating gaganaping special meeting dito po sa ating office mismo. Yan, ini-interview po isa-isa.
Hello. Also, is the question. Please tell me
Doktor yun, Ma'am Glo, doktor, yung mas maliit, doktor yun. Yung pinakaligar nila. Pinakaligar nila.
Yeah.
Because part-time, even talks we are so let's follow all of us. With his experience and his wisdom. That's called IAC. Yes. Thank you.
So tell me something, Dr. Wise Dala, please.
No need to follow anyone. I mean to say you create your history with your own. That is the right. I can say the answer to got the success. So tag market, as I know about the tag market, the big person, Mr. Kenny and Raj is here. They have a good experience with network marketing before. So that's why we all are here with the tag market. Now, of course, it is working like a traditional market, not working as a network market.
राजस्थान के लिए कुछ स्पेशल मैसेज
He
डाला है आपकी
he
तरफ से?
belongs to an Indian and he is our man leader and we all are follow him because Dr. Basil Sinhala is a great leader and he is always support to every leaders like Odisha state or like Rajasthan state, like UP state, entire India he will bring everywhere. So that's why I really appreciate him and thank you for your.
राजस्थान टीम के लिए कोई मैसेज डाला है आपकी तरफ
I am
से?
here due to the Mr. Raj is here.
राजस्थान टीम के लिए कोई मैसेज सर? राजस्थान टीम के लिए आपकी तरफ से?
राजस्थान तो अभी टॉप करने ही वाला है. जैसे हम लोग पहुंचेंगे ऑलरेडी राजस्थान.
Doktor po siya. Yan, doktor po siya from India. Ito nga po yung mga top leaders po natin. Grabe, ini-interview po ng isa-isa para po ay for motivation po ng mga team. Ayan. Mga top leaders po ito ng India. Ayan, mga Indian leaders po ito. Marami sila, 17 lahat sila. Sa ating unity may 4 pa lang, pero I believe na soon sa mga susunod na event ay marami na tayo.
So photo मेरा भी एक फोटो ले लो प्लीज. अरे पहले मिला लो.
Office din po dito.
Yung mga ano yan, mga anak ni Ismail, Mr. Ismail, yung nasa kusina. Interviewin ko rin, konti.
This is also part of the office. This is our coffee room.
Yan po yung kusina.
Hi, Solisedi. What can you say about our tag market? What can you say?
This is the best place to be. We have finally arrived. No better office that I've seen, guys. This is what it's all about. We come to the head office here in the beautiful city of Dubai, and we're just going to do content. Stay tuned, guys.
Thank you, thank you. How about you, ma'am? What can you say about
This is the place to be. If you are not here, you are missing out. What a beautiful office, modern, beautiful views, and very passionate people. Next time, make sure you are here. Do not miss out.
Thank you, thank you. Hello, Ma'am Julian. Hi, this is our famous Ma'am Julian.
Hello everyone. Oh, we're so excited. I am so excited. Amazingly welcoming all the leaders here in Dubai. We are now in the TAP office and amazing things await you. Just keep in touch and keep your ears all alert because they are bringing you amazing messages, wonderful messages, messages that are going to push you forward and you are going to achieve what you want to achieve through that market and stratify. This is the money making year and this is the money making season. So stay tuned, stay alert and be very vigilant because what we are about to bring is awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Julia, and power!